Hello and welcome back to another episode of Into the Rough. Today we are going to be talking about the side that has had a change of jersey, change of logo, but no change of name. Not,
And no change of fortune, it seems.
I don't know. You can't guarantee that. I have other opinions this time. So we are talking about
Uh,
Royal Challengers Bangalore. इस साल कप नाम दे, we don't know. Maybe not. We'll see. The fan base though, thanks to Mr. Nags, does not seem to be decreasing anywhere. We'll see how this team performs. Let's start.
Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers are pretty much at the peak of their powers. What can be a bigger strength for RCB
That
than
is
that?
that is there
Uh,
every year. They are always at the
that
peak.
is every year.
Yeah,
They have good all rounders, in my opinion. They have spin bowling all rounders. They have fast bowling all rounders.
correct.
So that's good. They have Shivam Dubey, they have Moeen Ali, they have Chris Morris, Gurkirat, Isuru Udana, Pawan Negi, Sundar. Yeah, they have a good. They have really good all rounders. Probably the most all rounders in a single team this season.
My strength
Yeah.
for
So
them, the biggest strength I think of RCB is their entire batting unit. Ridiculous batting power, ridiculous. There is Virat Kohli, there is AB de Villiers, there is Aaron Finch, there is Devdutt Palikkal. There has been a lot of talk about that youngster. There is Moeen Ali who can, if you give him to open, if Moeen Ali opens like Sunil Narine, he can tonk it anywhere he wants on his day. He's very selective of his days, mind you. Then there is
yeah,
Parthiv Patel. Then there is Shivam
mood
Dube.
swings.
Yeah, there is Shivam Dube. There is Washington Sundar. There is Chris Morris. And there is Josh Philippe, who is also a very good talent. For me, the weakness of RCB is their death bowling. It has always been that. They have only one death bowler this year as well, and that is Navdeep Saini. I don't trust Umesh Yadav to bowl you that 2 overs, crucial overs in the end. I don't trust Mohammad Siraj to bowl those overs. Who else do I have on my
He
team?
wouldn't.
You might go to Dale Steyn, but Dale Steyn, I don't know. Chris, you might go to Chris.
Injuries.
Yeah, that is a threat. We'll come to the threat. I have that threat listed up. And you might go to Chris Morris. Chris Morris, again, you don't know.
Thin. They are running thin as far as pure batsmen are concerned. In terms of pure batsmen, I'll count. They have Aaron Finch, they have Devdutt Padikkal, they have Kohli. Three so far. De Villiers, Josh Philippe, Parthiv Patel. That's it.
Yes.
They were just six pure batsmen. Six pure batsmen. Usually, every team feels in the starting 11.
I don't quite have
That
the same opinions as you, but
I know.
one
I
more
know.
weakness that we have here, that I think we have, is the very thin ice that every player is given to float on. If you fail in those
Exactly.
games, you are directly out. You need to give them chances.
I think it's the most imbalanced side in the history of IPL.
That's a long shot.
To prove me wrong, being a very harsh critic, that's the biggest opportunity they have to prove me wrong. And I would love to be their guest because RCB, they've had a painful history in the IPL, and given the sort of players they have, especially Virat Kohli and De Villiers, they deserve one IPL. I'll give that much to them. They deserve at least one IPL before they retire from RCB or they leave the team. And opportunity again, inexperienced players Sundar, Seni, Chahal, and Shivam Dubey. These four players strengthen their position within the Indian selection mix. So there's an opportunity.
There are two major opportunities. One of them is for Mohammad Siraj. I know Mohammad Siraj. This is a long shot for you. You haven't been performing so well, but this year is your year. Go out there, perform well. First, get into the 11.
Prasham Pratap is very optimistic about.
First, get into the 11. There is Saini and Umesh Yadav already sitting in the 11. You need to get into the 11. The other opportunity that I think they have is, for me,
Team
it is a very good team. And according to me, this is their best chance after 2016, and they should qualify in the top four. They should.
Just like you made the point about Mohammad Siraj making into the 11, I'll make a point, make it to the playoffs first.
Okay.
Then we'll talk about winning. Team
Just a
still
second.
remains.
Just a second. I forgot
The
something.
team,
This I
yeah, yeah.
forgot. I forgot this. Yeah. Please carry on.
Oh, no problem. Hello, new logo.
Peace.
COVID-19. COVID-19, of course, is a big threat. Apart from that, I guess the weaknesses and threats go hand in hand for
Okay.
me.
Okay.
Yeah.
For me, the threats are the injury
Haan,
concerns of Dale Steyn and Aaron Finch. Aaron Finch keeps
yeah,
losing
same,
his hamstring here and
same,
there. So these two players, if they get injured, it is very difficult,
same.
I see, for RCB. And the biggest threat is the wavering of confidence of players once Virat Kohli steps into the captaincy and keeps chopping and changing the side with his coach. I don't know how the players survive in that team for so long. Okay, so these two are the biggest threat. You tell me your 11 that you think is not going to qualify, and I'll tell you my 11 that I think can potentially win the cup.
My 11, my my RCB 11 that will never qualify, let alone win the IPL. Parthiv Patel and Aaron Finch at the top. Virat Kohli, De Villiers, and Moeen Ali, the next three players in the lineup. Shivam Dube, Washington Sundar. In the bowling, I'll go with Navdeep Saini, Umesh Yadav, and Dale Steyn in the pace bowling department, and Yuzvendra Chahal as the 11th man.
Okay. Okay. Pretty much the same side. I have.
And this is a side that will not qualify.
Yeah. Now I'll make a couple of changes, and that will make it a side that can magically qualify and win. Okay. Openers are Devdutt Padikkal and Aaron Finch. Then there is Virat Kohli, De Villiers.
Yeah.
Then there is Gurkirat Singh Mann. Then there is Shivam Dube. Then there is Chris Morris, Washington Sundar, Yuzvendra Chahal, Umesh Yadav, and Navdeep Saini. So the bowling attack is more or less the same. The only change is that I have Gurkirat Singh Mann
Same. Yeah.
and Devdutt Padikkal at the top. See, these two players are going to make the changes, and these two
You
players
do not
will
have
give
Shivam Dube?
Yeah, I have Shivam Dube. I still think, even though Parshva's opinions don't intersect with my opinions, I still think RCB has a very good chance this year. We'll see. So, with that, we come to the end of this episode as well. This was team number 3 in Take Two's Into the Rough team previews, and we'll be back tomorrow morning as well.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.